Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the latest Grow a Garden update, which is like feeding the pet. So get like any plant. I'm just going to get this one. And once the pet has hatched, you are just going to basically feed the pet on like your PC. It's like F. So I'm just going to wait for this egg to hatch. There we go. And I got silver monkey, press feed. It's going to basically follow you to your garden. It does take a few seconds to get here. And then once it has reached your garden, then you're able to capture it. You don't have to do anything though. And then it's going to just go in your inventory, and that's pretty much it. The egg is different. It's not different every time, but it could be different. And as you can see, it's in my inventory now. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!